This is going to help people get to the next level of MGM status. It's going to generate future offers, and you're getting something more back than you did previously. It's a triple stack: casino earnings, loyalty earnings, credit card rewards, and maybe a quadruple stack with even more MGM benefits.
I know there was a update and enhancement with MGM about 3 months ago that we covered. MGM wants to extend their casinos onto the cruise ships. They're already offering the opportunity for gold, platinum, free cruises. Do we know if you book a free cruise with status, does the gambling count? Do you qualify for the onboard free play, the onboard credit, the welcome amenity, Justin, the mystery welcome amenity? What can it be? Bottle of water, maybe? Who knows?
A $5 bottle of champagne.
I think I'd rather have the $5 bottle of water than the $5 bottle of champagne.
The terms indicate that if you get an offer from MGM, so the most obvious are the offers with gold status and platinum status. They'll send you your annual cruise benefit. And we also confirmed that if you hit platinum status, you get 2 comp cruises, one at the gold level and one at the platinum level. This email or update or article that they posted suggests that they're going to give you other invitations to cruise. You would contact Celebrity or Royal Caribbean, tell them you have this promotional code or offer through MGM, and that should sync your MGM Rewards account, and you should earn these additional benefits.
At what benefit do these kick in, Justin? I wanted to book a cruise anyway. I was planning to cruise the Caribbean, for example, and I wanted to take advantage of some of these benefits. Maybe I'm chasing MGM Gold status this year. Can I still book even at the Sapphire or Pearl level before I get to Gold and get a free cruise?
That's a good question. They had an infographic saying that Pearl status, you automatically get that with an MGM credit card. Pearl status gives you $50 in free play. It's not only the gold and platinum benefits, since you're getting free play if you have Pearl. You would still get $50 in free play if you happen to accept some kind of offer from MGM, even if it was something like 10% off a generic email that was the same rate as what Royal or Celebrity was offering. Gold is giving $75 in free play and $125 onboard credit, according to the infographic. Then it goes up to Platinum, which seems to have the most value here. Platinum is going to give $100 in onboard free play, $200 in onboard credit. This is putting MGM above other cruise offers, giving a key edge that it combines with MGM Rewards. You're getting these extra benefits, and you're getting some tier comps and possibly other rewards in the future.
Certainly seems like if you're interested in cruising and you enjoy gambling while you're on your cruise, it would be worthwhile